put in the board now.
We have one right now on, I don't know if it's a good one or not, but we have one going on right here on the NQ. I just went long on the NQ. Now the entry point on the NQ should have been right here at 67.75. A minute is 70.25. It's got to go 5 points into profit. It's got to hit 75.25 for me to bump the stop to break even. Okay. Now I'm hoping that my Control Z will work right now too. The keystrokes, so I don't have to use the mouse because this keystroke is faster than actually doing the mouse. But there it is. Control Z. The stop did go to great. Okay, so this one we're going to lock in some profit on this. We're in at 70.25. We're going to lock in 3 ticks right there. That's 12. I'm sorry, 3 points. That's 12 ticks. Now we have a 75 tick target on this. 75 tick target. So we'll see where it goes from here. It should go up here at least. It's 587, but it's probably going to take us out with 12. Okay, we'll see how it goes. Now the reason we went long on that is because the blue went down into the oversold by itself. We go long on the open of the next bar. I'm going to lock in a little bit more on this. Oops. Okay. So I don't know how many that is. Oh, where did we get in? We got in down there at 70.25. Okay, so that's 7 points. 8 points. That's 32 ticks locked in right there. And there you go. 32 ticks. We're out of the trade. So if you haven't seen this before, you haven't done this before, go to mytradingiq.com. Sign up for the trial. It's a free 5-day trial. mytradingiq.com.